What's going on, J Squad? It's your host, JW. Of course, you know what to do. Like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel. So, I'm doing a food review. And this is a cereal by General Mills. And this is their new limited edition cereal. You've heard of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but this is a limited edition cereal. This is the Apple Pie Toast Crunch. That's right. This is a limited edition, y'all. Does this taste like apple pie? Well, let's open it up. I've already opened it. I'm going to try it without the milk. Look at it first off. The color is a little different, but does it taste like the apple pie? It does have a hint of apple pie. You can really taste apple pie through. You can really taste it. That's good. Now let's try with the milk. I have a bowl right here. Now let's try it. Pretty good. Yeah, I just noticed something. Check this out. How cool is that? Now we're gonna add just a little bit more crunch to the cereal. But overall, I like it by itself. You do get the taste of apple pie, which is good. It's not overpowering. There's just right amount of apple pie taste. So yeah. But you can buy these eat by themselves with, no milk, or with a side of milk, but not. You do get the apple pie taste. It's like someone took an apple pie and took cereal and combined it together. That's how good it is. It has that perfect amount of apple pie cinnamon, ratio. It has the right amount. It's so perfect. Alright, General Mills, for your apple pie toast crunch, this cereal here gets a 9 from me, because it tastes exactly like the apple pie, and I would recommend anyone to try the apple pie toast crunch. Okay, y'all. Thanks for joining. Until next time, it's your host, JW, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Later.